Hello, welcome to Chapter 16 for Business Math called Marketing. This is Lesson 16.5, Newspaper Advertising Costs. As always, make sure you are reading through the chapter. Look at the lesson. What is it having you, do for vocab and concepts or new concepts? And as you look through the examples, pay attention to not just how do I calculate these things, but why. What are we actually looking for? What does it mean when I calculate these things? So if you can understand the why, then when you get to the more involved problems here and the culminating problems, meaning we're combining skills, then you'll understand quite a bit more about what to do if you understand all the little pieces on the why part of it. All right, let's go ahead and read the summary here. So when you place a newspaper advertisement for your product or service, the cost is determined by the space it occupies. The amount of space is calculated by the page or partial page. Note that advertisements are often called ads. Use this formula to calculate the cost of the ad. So if cost of the ad equals cost per unit times the rate per unit. And then they give us this table. Use the table below for the newspaper rates. So we have daily news advertising rates. Units, so we can have a full page, half page, 3/10 of a page, or 1/20th page. So it's smaller and smaller there as far as what we're being able to use up on the page there. So this would definitely be a very small little ad, and a full page would be the entire thing. Excuse me. So depending on when we're using it too, we have to pay attention to when, because there's two things on here. It's how much of the page are we using and when. So daily rates, Monday through Friday, it's $960 for a full page. It's $67 for a 1/20th page. And then if we're using it on Saturday, the rates go way up. $1,260 for a full page, and it's $80 or $88 for a 1/20th page. So depends on when you're doing it. And the reason Sunday papers are much more popular. A lot more people buy the Sunday paper than the daily paper. So that's why they charge more. The more people that are going to buy that paper, the more you have to pay to advertise in it. So hopefully that makes sense to you. All right, so complete the table here. So we're just going to look at maybe the first two, and then I'm going to let you do the rest. So the first bit here, it says daily, full page, 5 units, $960. They filled this one in for you, but it's the only one on this column they filled in for you. So if we go here and we go daily, so we're looking at this column. Full page, we're looking at this column. So we're just looking at where did they crisscross. They crisscrossed the 960. They filled that in for us, which was nice of them. And then number of units. So we're simply just going to multiply our number of units, and that'll tell us our advertising cost here. So once you know your unit rate, you're just going to multiply each one of these going across. It's going to be the same calculation here going down. Because once you know your unit rate, how much does it cost me for each one I want, you just have to multiply by how many you want, and that'll tell you your total cost. Okay? So if we look at this second one here, we have daily, so daily again, and we're looking at 3/10 of a page. So 3/10 of a page. Sorry, that was kind of sloppy. So here's where they crisscross at the 288 mark. So we're just going to write 288 in here. And we're going to multiply that by 4. They want 4 of those. So 288 times 4, and that'll tell us what our advertising cost is on that one. So I'm not filling this in for you. I'm confident we can do that one on our own. We just have to multiply across to get the end here. So you just have to pay attention to, what day or the timing, and then what do they want on the side here. All right, let's go ahead and look a little lower. Doop. Next piece here. I'm trying to remember, does this one go? No, only one page. All right. So Healthline has a contract for 52 full-page ads to appear in the Sunday paper. How much does the advertisement cost? So it's 52 ads, and it's all Sunday. So we're going to go full page, and we're going to go Sunday. And that was a horrible overlap, but that's where they overlap there. My first circle should have gone a little bit farther to the end there so you could see it a little better. But they overlapped here, right? Because here's Sunday and full page. All right, so we're going to do 52 times our price there. And that'll tell us what our cost is going to be. Same thing as the table, just given to you in a little bit more of a story format. All right, so let's look down. Really, either one, 8 or 9, they're kind of very similar questions here. So we have sporting goods store has an annual contract for the following ads in the daily news. So we have 50 full page ads, and it's daily news on this one. And then we have 50 half page Saturday ads. And 50 full-time, oh, sorry, that was daily news. I'm being silly. Daily was right here. So these were daily. I just circled the wrong daily there. These are 50 half-page Saturday ads and 50 full-page Sunday ads. How much do the advertisements cost? So we need to just calculate these out. We have 50 of each. So we know it's going to be 50, 50, 50. We're going to multiply 50 each time here. We just have to figure out our cost. So daily ads for a full page ad on for daily, that's $9.60. So we're going to have 50 times $9.60, and that'll tell us how much our daily cost is. 50 half page Saturday ads. So we're going to go to the Saturday column, and we're going to go to the half page row here. So $5.30. We're going to multiply by 530, and that'll tell us how much it costs for our Saturday ads. And then Sunday, so we're going to go to this last column here for Sunday, and they're full page. So we're back at this 1,260. 1,260. And that'll tell us how much the Sunday is. Once we have all three of these amounts, we need to add them together for our total cost. We're going to pay all three of them. So it just depends on how much you're doing there, but you're just breaking it apart. I'm not doing the calculations for you. I set it up pretty nicely there for you, so it's pretty easy to complete. The only difference on number 9 is they talk about a discount. So the Daily News offers a 25% discount on a Saturday ad that also runs on Sunday. So the 25% discount on Saturday, if it also runs on Sunday, the 25% discount does not count on Sunday. So it's kind of a funny wording there. You only get the 25% discount on a Saturday ad. The King Amusement Park contracts for half-page ads to run every Saturday and Sunday for 15 weeks of the summer. I don't know why I underlined of, but so we have Saturday and we have Sunday. We need to calculate both of these. So Saturday, we have 15 for each because we have 15 Saturdays, 15 Sundays, and we just need to pay attention to the fact that we're going to have a discount on Saturday. So we have to get our total from our column up here. So we're going to go to Saturday, we're going to go to half page ads, and we're going to write our amount there, right? So that's the 530. And then for Sunday, we're going to go over to Sunday, and they're also half page ads on Sunday. So that's 630. So they're $100 more on Sunday. So we can get our two totals. Once we have this total, though, we need to multiply by 25% so that we know what we can take off. Remember, that's just our discount. So that'll give us our discount, and we need to subtract that from the total. We're not going to do that same thing for Sunday. We don't get a discount for Sunday. Okay, we only get a discount for Saturday. As long as we run Saturday and Sunday, we get the Saturday discount. So again, I know a little funny wording there. Just make sure you're paying attention to that bit. And once you have your total for Saturday minus the discount, you add that to your total for Sunday, and that'll give you your total cost. All righty. Well, I hope that helped, and I will see you in section 6.